Top 5 weird animal sounds. Part 2. Number 2 sounds like a haunted saxophone. Like and subscribe if you're brave enough. Number 5. Red fox. This cute little fox screams like it's in a horror movie. Number 4. Zebra. Ever heard a zebra? It's like a donkey and a duck started a punk band. Number 3. Elephant seal. This dude sounds like a semi-truck trying to clear its throat. Number 2. Sega antelope. It looks strange, and the sound? And number 1. Bison. America's pride sounds like it's burping through a megaphone.